You've been told you need high-tech skills or hefty budgets to succeed on YouTube. Well, that's dead wrong. Time Travel Visuals features a variety of historical facts all through Faceless YouTube Shorts. The channel has over 165,000 subscribers, and some of the videos get millions of views. Then there's the AI Historian, a channel that also focuses on faceless videos, with 308,000 subscribers and several videos reaching very close to 1 million views. There are countless faceless YouTube channels that focus on creating viral shorts. One specific niche that I recently discovered is history, and it's doing incredibly well. I've discovered an easy way to create viral faceless history shorts that can skyrocket your channel's growth and earn you big bucks. In this video, I'll reveal the AI-powered tools and strategies I use to help my coaching client Bradley gain 1,500 subscribers and over 100,000 views in 6 weeks. You'll learn how to generate irresistible video ideas, craft engaging scripts, and create captivating visuals without ever having to step in front of the camera. If you're ready to take your YouTube game to the next level, keep watching. Before you can dig into the YouTube Shorts trend, you first need to do some planning. Remember, I said that I found an easy way to create faceless shorts. This is where the good news comes in. With the help of AI, you can easily get ideas for channels and specific shorts that you can create. In fact, you can even get AI to write the scripts for you. The first step is to pick a really good AI tool to help you get those topics that can go viral. There's a tool I want to introduce you to here. It's called Simplified, and it's a chatbot that gives you a wide variety of ways to create content with the help of AI. Let's say you want to focus on historical facts that are scandalous or funny. You can simply ask the AI writer on the Simplified AI platform to give you ideas. And once you have these ideas, it's really not hard to move forward to the next steps. Start by registering an account on Simplified AI, then head over to the AI Writer tool. I asked Simplified AI's AI Writer tool to give me 20 ideas for viral short videos about hilarious historical facts. This gave me a general list that I can work from, and now I can ask Simplified AI to be even more specific. I chose hilarious historical misunderstandings and asked Simplified AI to give me topics specifically related to this. I then asked the AI to give me 10 hilarious historical misunderstandings. These would make an excellent video, or I could even go so far as to actually cover each of them separately. This means I now have as many as 10 video ideas already on hand. One interesting fact that Simplified AI gave me here was the fact that in the 18th century, many people thought tomatoes were poisonous, so they were avoided as food. Yet today, of course, most people enjoy tomatoes in salads, on a sandwich, and even when making pasta sauces. I then proceeded to ask Simplified AI to create a script about this. It took a couple of seconds for my script to appear on the screen. I asked Simplified AI to make the script about 30 seconds long. As with YouTube Shorts, you should focus on catching the attention of viewers without boring them with long content. I can now use this script to continue the process of creating a YouTube short that can later be uploaded to the platform. When you're planning things out for your YouTube Shorts channel, it's a good idea to begin by having Simplified AI give you several ideas for topics and then get the bot to write the scripts for you. Copy everything over to a document. That way you'll be able to easily get access to it later on. As a final tip before we move on, I'd like to share something important that I've learned about using chatbots for this kind of task. Chatbots, including the AI writer you can access in Simplified AI, allow you to have multiple open chats. Each chat is self-aware, but only within that chat. This is why it's a good idea to make sure you use one chat for this entire project. If you decide to create another YouTube channel later, open a new chat and dedicate it to that specific project. It's going to make things easier when it comes to having your scripts feel consistent in terms of tone, voice, and the way they are written. Now that you know just how easy it can be to come up with niches to target and even topics for YouTube short videos, it's time to look at how you can go from script to video. Again, we're going to harness the power of AI to help with this step. First, you need to decide how you want your videos to look. Plus, you'll also need to consider whether or not you're willing to pay for a tool, or rather prefer free tools. If you prefer a tool that does it all, then I definitely suggest you head back to the one we use to create the scripts. Simplified AI is actually a comprehensive toolkit that focuses on a wide variety of AI tools. You can use this tool to write scripts, create images, edit videos, and much more. Use my link in the description and take a moment to really explore the app, as that's going to give you an idea of how powerful it is and what you can actually do with Simplified AI. When you head over to the AI video tool, you'll be able to pick from a number of different templates. This includes a YouTube Shorts template. Click on it, then the Create Project button on the right side of the web page. You can now choose from a wide variety of templates that the system has. Pick one that's fitting for the type of content you're looking to publish. Of course, you're going to be publishing shorts related to history. It's a good idea to pick 1 or 2 templates that you can use with multiple videos. This will help to create consistency in the branding and design of your videos. To add audio, simply click on the audio tab on the left side of the screen. You can choose to record a voiceover or use Simplified AI's text-to-speech function, which is a great way to add a voiceover to your video without recording your own voice. The AI Apps tab gives you access to additional tools that you can use while you're creating your video. Be sure to also take advantage of the Subtitles tab to add words onto the screen. This makes it easier for viewers to follow along and understand what you want to share about history. One way to get a good background for your video is to start with Simplified AI's image generator. Use a prompt that's appropriate for the type of content you're about to share in this video. Then, download the image and put it into the image to video function on Simplified AI's platform. This is going to actually animate the image, bringing it to life. It helps to ensure the background of your video doesn't feel boring. Finally, add these animated images to your video as a background. Add the subtitles as a text overlay, and import a voiceover or text-to-speech file that you generate with the Simplified AI app. Now that you know how to create your own viral short videos, the next question is what you should do with them. Of course, the first step here would be to gain followers and build up your presence on YouTube. It's definitely a good idea to create a channel that's dedicated to your strategy. Once it starts to grow, you can even consider creating more channels, each focusing on a specific niche that can help your videos go viral. When it comes to profiting from your YouTube shorts, there are actually a couple of different options that you can turn to. YouTube's partner program is definitely worth looking at. You'll have to get your channel to meet certain minimum criteria, but once that's done, you can sign up and start to monetize your content. YouTube pays you for the views your videos get once you turn on this program. Apart from the YouTube Partner Program, I'd also recommend you take a closer look at other monetization options. Many of these alternatives can be used long before you meet the minimum criteria for the YouTube Partner Program. For example, you could sign up to an affiliate program and then promote a link in some of your videos. Of course, there are many other options. Imagine for a second that you decide to start a YouTube channel that shares facts about pets. As the channel grows and gains an audience, you could decide to use a print-on-demand service to start a side business. You'll get designs that you can print on a variety of items, upload these designs to the print-on-demand platform, and then promote the product on relevant videos. YouTube Shorts have been out for quite a while now, and they're still doing great. This platform became popular following the release of TikTok and with the emerging trend of posting short video content on social media. Profiting from YouTube Shorts is definitely possible in 2024, but you need the right strategy. I found the easy way to do things, and all it takes is a little bit of your time and a couple of AI tools. I've shared the strategies you need to use to take advantage of the YouTube Shorts trends in this video. Start with a good AI chatbot, use it to generate some really great headline and video ideas, and then turn those ideas into videos with the help of a few tools. I'd really suggest you take a closer look at our sponsor Simplified AI, as it's a complete toolbox of different apps you can use. Publish your content on YouTube regularly to get views, subscribers, and essentially build up a money-making system for yourself. We've explored some smart strategies today to thrive with YouTube Shorts using AI tools. But why stop there? Wondering if there's an even easier way to succeed on YouTube without showing your face or using your voice? If you're not tapping into this niche, you might be missing out on a golden opportunity to grow your channel effortlessly. Don't miss out. Jump straight into the video on your screen. I found the easiest YouTube Shorts niche without showing your face or using your voice, and discover the ultimate strategy to scale your content creation with minimal effort. Click here to watch now and take your YouTube journey to the next level.